Hello, welcome and welcome back. Today I am sharing with you how to make one of the most loved traditional soup from the eastern part of Nigeria, Onugbu soup, also known as Bitterleaf soup. If you would like to see how I made this delicious soup, please continue watching. I've gone ahead to boil my proteins and they are about 85% done. So I'm just adding my crayfish, and at this point I'm adding my thickener. You can make use of any thickener of your choice, and I blended my cocoyam with some pepper. So once I've added my cocoyam, I'll go ahead to add some palm oil. So I'll also add some palm oil, then I'll add my ogiri. Without ogiri, I don't think there is anything like Onugbu soup. So once I added my ogiri, I'll add some more seasoning cubes. You can skip this. Some people don't like to add seasoning cubes once they've added the ogiri. So once I added the seasoning cubes, I'll go ahead to add more crayfish. Then I'll cover and allow this cocoyam to well dissolve. Once they are properly dissolved, then at this point, I'll go ahead to add my bitter leaf. After adding the bitter leaf, I'll gently stir and then I'll cover this to boil for another 15 to 20 minutes on a very low heat. 15 minutes later, the soup is ready, and that's how you make a delicious onugbu soup right at home. And this soup can be enjoyed with your eba or pounded yam or any swallow of your choice. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more delicious and easy recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed weekend. Bye.